Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow changes in access to media in Apple Music on iPhone 12. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on Settings on the home screen. Then on the home screen, you want to swipe up or swipe down and tap on Screen Time. In Screen Time, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, go down and tap on Media in Apple Music. In here, you need to enter the Screen Time passcode. Mine is 1234. So put that in, and in here, by default, it is set to allow changes. So you could choose allow or don't allow changes, and this will will let you to either disallowing changes locks the settings below and prevents new apps from accessing Apple Music and using your media library. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings menu, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.